Hello, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you here today. Our word of the day is amazed. It's a B1 level adjective, which means it's perfect for learners building a strong foundation in English. Amazed means feeling extremely surprised or impressed by something. For example, if someone tells you they climbed to the top of Mount Everest, you might say, "I'm amazed by their bravery and determination." It's a word that helps express those moments when something truly astonishes you. Let's talk about some synonyms for amazed. Words like astonished, stunned, and flabbergasted all convey a similar sense of surprise or admiration. For instance, I was astonished by the magician's incredible performance. Or, the news left her completely stunned. On the other hand, antonyms for amazed would include words like unimpressed or indifferent, which reflect a lack of surprise or interest. For example, he seemed indifferent to the breathtaking view of the mountains. In everyday life, you might use amazed to describe your reaction to something unexpected or impressive. Imagine you walk into a surprise party that your friends planned for weeks. You could say, "I was so amazed by the effort everyone put into the decorations and the cake." Or perhaps you see a breathtaking sunset and you think, "I'm amazed at how beautiful nature can be." Here are a few more examples to help you understand how to use amazed in context. She was amazed to see her name on the list of winners. I'm always amazed at how quickly technology is evolving. They were amazed by the stunning artwork at the gallery. To wrap things up, today we learned that amazed is an adjective used to express extreme surprise or being impressed by something. It has powerful synonyms like astonished and stunned, and contrasting antonyms like unimpressed. I encourage you to think of a moment when you felt amazed and create your own sentence using the word. Share it with us in the comments. Thank you so much for listening to Hello Word. If you enjoyed today's episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover the show, and we truly appreciate it. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.